To transfer XRP from Coinbase to a Tangem wallet. The process is quick and easy. First, open the Coinbase app and click on the transfer option at the bottom of the screen. A window will pop up, and from there, select the Send option. Next, choose the cryptocurrency to transfer, in this case, XRP, by using the search bar and selecting it from the results. You will then be prompted to paste a wallet address. To obtain this address, open the Tangem wallet and click on the Manage Token button at the bottom of the screen. Search for XRP, and then click on the arrow button or select the XRP option. A window will appear, and from there, enable the desired network, such as the XRP Ledger main option, and click Save Changes. After scanning the Tangem card with the app, scroll down and select the XRP option. Then click on Receive to obtain the XRP address on the Tangem wallet. Copy this address. Then reopen the Coinbase app and paste it into the input box. Select the network option that matches the one enabled in the Tangem wallet. Enter the amount to transfer, and click Preview. Confirm the details, ensuring the wallet address and amount are correct, and then click Send Now to transfer the XRP from Coinbase to the Tangem wallet.